In today's video, we are going to see how we can create housing society maintenance format in Excel. In this format, we are going to cover each and everything like maintenance collection, total expenses, occupancy charges, non-occupancy charges, and so on. Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching Office Mom. Let's start the video without any delays. This is the housing society maintenance format which I have already created in advance. This is the collection sheet in which we will track all the collection as well as outstanding amount. On the top we have got maintenance amount with occupancy charges and without occupancy charges. Here we have got the monthly charges and over here we have got the yearly charges. We have got total 3 worksheets for this. First worksheet will be for maintenance calculations, where we will have occupancy charges and non-occupancy charges. Whenever the amount over here will be changed, it will feature in our drop down also. Second worksheet is for total collections and third will be for total maintenance charges for the whole year. On the right hand side we have got month's name along with expenses, and below that we have got total collections. If we want to check the total expenses of December, we will have to click over here on December and we will be diverted to December expenses. To go back to January, we will click over here and we are in the January expenses. Let's start creating a new sheet now. First tab will be maintenance calculations. We will start from B4, serial number, details, amount. We will click over here and will take all the things in center. We will insert serial number till 10. We'll increase the column size and over here also we will increase the column size. We will select this and we'll create borders. We'll select this and we'll give it a color. We'll change the font color. We'll make the row size bigger. We'll select the whole sheet and we'll take all the things in mid. We'll increase the font size. We'll select this and we'll give it a border. Now we will select this and we'll merge it together. It will be total amount. We'll change the color. We'll change the font color. We'll change the color for this also. And we'll change the font color. We'll make it bigger. We'll increase the font size. Now we will copy this and we'll paste it over here. We'll increase the column size. We will select this and we'll merge together. We'll change the color. We'll change the font color. We'll increase the row size. This will be without non-occupancy charges. We will copy this and we'll paste it over here. This will be with non-occupancy charges. We'll go to view and we'll remove the grid lines. We'll take it closer. We will insert some expenses along with amount. Maintenance charges, water charges, sinking fund, repair fund, non-occupancy charges, miscellaneous. In case you have got some other expenses, you can insert it over here. I'll copy this and we'll paste it over here. Maintenance charges, I'll insert some random figures. I'll select this. We'll go to home and we'll take this in left side. Water charges 0, sinking fund 500, repair fund 200, non-occupancy charges, this is without non-occupancy charges, so amount will be 0, miscellaneous 0. We'll click over here in total amount and we'll insert the formula plus sum. We'll select the range. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We'll take this in center. We'll right click the mouse, format cells. We'll take this up, custom. We'll remove general, double inverted comma, rupees, double inverted comma close, space, hash, and we'll do OK. So RS got inserted just before the amount. Now we will copy this, Control C or Command C, and we'll paste it over here. This is with non-occupancy charges. So I'll insert a random figure, 150. So this is the amount with non-occupancy charges and this is the amount without non-occupancy charges. Now we will select this and we'll merge it together. We'll drag it down. We'll create borders. We'll give it a color. We'll change the font color. We will copy this. Ctrl C or Command C. We'll come over here and we'll paste it. Now we will copy this. Ctrl C or Command C and we'll paste it over here. And this will be pending. Now we will select this and we'll insert borders. We'll change the font color. We'll make it bold. We'll click over here. We'll insert plus or equal to and we'll select this without non-occupancy charges and we'll hit enter. Plus or equal to, we will select this and we'll hit enter. Here we will type pending. We will select this and we'll take this in center. We'll take this in left. We'll do one thing, we will select this and we'll merge it. We'll do the same thing for all three. We'll select this and we'll create borders. Now we will click over here. Without non-occupancy charges, we will right click the mouse, format cells, and just after hash, we will type without non-occupancy charges. Without non-occupancy charges. We'll take this in double inverted comma and we'll do OK. Now we will click over here. We'll right click the mouse, format cells. We'll take this up and just after hash, we will insert double inverted comma with non-occupancy charges. With NOC. Double inverted comma close and we will do OK. Later I'll tell you why I inserted without NOC and with NOC. Now we will insert a new worksheet. We will start from B7. Serial number, flat owner's name, contact number, email ID. We'll make it bigger. We'll click over here and we'll take all the things in center. We'll select the whole sheet and we'll take all the things in mid. Serial number, we will insert for 20 owners or 20 flats. We will select this and we'll create borders. We'll make this bigger. We'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. Over here we will type flat on rent or empty. Over here we will type Jan or January. We'll hit enter and we'll drag this till December. We'll come to the right hand side and we'll drag it till December. This will be total and this will be outstanding or pending. Now we will select this and we'll insert color. We'll change the font color. We'll create borders. We'll take this in left. We will click on B2 and we'll select till L. We'll merge it together. We'll make it bigger. We'll insert some color over here. We'll create borders. Now we will select from N to Q. We'll merge it. We'll put some color and we'll create borders. We'll come to right hand side. We will click from S till U. We'll merge it. We'll put some color and we'll create borders. We'll come to left hand side. This will be flat wise maintenance collection. We'll make the font size bigger. This will be year. We'll come to right hand side. We'll select both and we'll increase the font size. We will click over here. We'll go to data validation. Over here we will select list and in source we will type 2023, 2024, 2025 and we'll do OK. Our drop down for year got created. We will select 2023. We'll come to the left hand side. Now we will select this flat on rent or empty. We'll go to data validation. We will select list. In source we will type yes, comma, no. OK. Now we will go to home, conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to. Over here we will type yes and we'll select green color. We'll do OK. We will go to conditional formatting once again, highlight cell rule, equal to, and this time we will type no, and we will select the red color and we'll do OK. Yes, no. We will select this and we'll take this in center. We will leave third row blank. We'll come to fourth row, means B4. We'll select from B to D and we'll merge it. We'll give it a color. We'll change the font color. We will drag this down. This will be maintenance amount per month. In bracket we will type without non-occupancy. Without non-occupancy charges. And we'll hit enter. We will drag this down. This will be with non-occupancy charges. And we'll hit enter. We will increase the column size. We'll select this and we'll take this in left. We will increase size of this also. Maintenance amount per month without NOC plus or equal to, we will go to our first sheet and we'll select this amount and we'll hit enter. Maintenance amount per month with NOC plus or equal to, we will go to our first sheet and we'll select this. Enter. We'll select this and we'll take both the things in center. We'll leave it selected. We'll right click the mouse, format cells. We'll take this up, custom. We'll remove general, has, space, double inverted comma, monthly, double inverted comma, close, and we will do OK. Now we will click over here on F4 plus or equal to, we will select this into 12. This will be yearly. I'll drag this down. We'll select both and we'll take this in center. We'll right click the mouse, format cells. We'll take this up, custom. We'll remove general, has, space, double inverted comma, yearly, double inverted comma, close, and we'll do OK. Now we will select this and we'll give it a color. We'll change the font color. We'll make it bold. We'll select this and we'll give it a border. We'll make this column a little bit bigger. We'll increase size of this. We'll go on top, view, and we'll remove the grid lines. We'll come to right hand side. We'll select two rows and we will select till outstanding amount, means till end. We'll go to home and we'll merge it. We'll give it a color. We'll change the font color. We'll increase the font size. This will be amount received / outstanding. We'll give it a border. We'll come to left hand side. We'll take this closer. Now we will select all the months from Jan to December. We'll go to maintenance calculation. We'll select all these three and we'll remove the merged field. We'll make it bigger. We'll remove this. If it will be merged, we will not be able to create the drop downs. We'll come to sheet 2. We'll rename our tab. It will be total collections. Now we will select the months. We'll go to data, data validation. From the drop down, we will select list, source. We will go to our first sheet. We'll take this in right side and we'll select all three. We'll do OK. And our drop down list got created. Rupees 2200 without NOC means without non-occupancy charges. Rupees 2350 with non-occupancy charges and pending. But when we will select the amount, it will be showing only amount and nothing else. We will select this and we'll take all the things in center. If flat will be on rent or empty, non-occupancy charges will be applicable. So with non-occupancy charges, it's 2350. And if the flat is not vacant or not on the rent, non-occupancy charges will not be applicable. Now we will come to right hand side. Total. The formula will be plus or equal to sum, bracket open. We will select from Jan to December. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we will drag this down. We'll take all the things in center. Outstanding amount. I'll make this bigger. The formula will be plus or equal to if, bracket open, this means G8 is equal to double inverted comma yes double inverted comma close, comma, I'll come to the left hand side. If it's yes, means non-occupancy charges will be applicable, so we will select this, we'll press function F4 and the cell will be logged, comma, we will minus this. We will insert the second criteria, comma, if bracket open, this means G8 is equal to double inverted comma no, double inverted comma close, comma, we will select this amount without non-occupancy charges, we'll press function F4 and the cell will be logged, minus, we will select the total, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we will drag this down, we'll take all the things in center. We are getting an error over here, so we will insert criteria of if just in the very beginning. If bracket open, this is equal to 0, comma, double inverted comma twice, means we want blank, comma, we will come to the end, we'll insert the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we will click over here and we'll select till end. We'll change the color, we'll change the font color, we'll make it bold, we'll increase the font size, we'll create borders and we will insert our formula for sum, plus or equal to sum bracket open, we will select from first till last, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We will take this in center. Now we will drag this till end. This is our total amount. We'll right click the mouse, format cells, we'll take this up, custom, we'll remove general, double inverted comma, RS means rupees, dot double inverted comma close, space hash, and we will do OK. We will come to the left hand side. Now we will select this and we'll merge it together. We'll change the color, we'll change the font color. This will be total. We'll increase the font size. We'll create borders. We will take some random figures. So this format is ready now. Now we will click our last sheet. And this will be total maintenance. We will start from B4. This will be month. We'll select this and we'll take all the things in center. We'll select the whole sheet and we'll take all the things in mid. For month we will create drop down. We'll go to data, data validation. From here we will select list, source. We will type name of all the months from January to December. And we'll do OK. So our drop down got created. Over here we will type year and we'll create drop down for years. We'll go to data, data validation, list, source, and we will type 2023, 2024, 2025 and we'll do OK. So our drop down list for year got created. We will select month and year. We'll go to home and we'll change the color. We'll change the font color. We'll increase the font size. Now we will select this and we'll change the font color. We'll make it bold and we'll increase the font size. We'll make the column size bigger. We'll create borders. Now we will select from B to G and we'll merge it. We'll give it a color. We'll make the font size bigger. We'll increase the row size and we'll create borders. This will be society maintenance details. We'll increase the font size. Now we will click over here in basics. This will be serial number, date, day, expense details, remarks if any. We will take if any in bracket. And over here it will be amount. We'll select this and we'll take all the things in center. I'll take till serial number 10. If required, you can increase it. We'll select this and we'll create borders. Now we will select this and we'll change the color. We'll change the font color. We'll increase the size. I'll take this closer. We'll select from I to K. We'll merge it and we'll put a color over here. We'll insert borders. This will be total expenses and collection. I'll select this and we'll merge together. Now I'll select this and we'll put a color over here. I'll type Jan over here and we'll drag this till December. We'll put color over here. We'll take this closer. But I'll cut this and we'll paste it over here. We'll put the color. We'll put color over here also. I'll put some color. We'll take this closer. We'll make this column size bigger. I'll merge this. We'll change the font color. This will be total expenses. We'll increase the font size. I'll select this. Control C or Command C and we'll paste it over here. This will be total collections. We'll insert one row over here. We'll change the color. This will be total. We'll change the font color. We'll take this in center. We'll create borders for this. We'll come down. We'll change the color. We'll copy this. Control C or Command C and we'll paste over here. We'll put some color over here to create the borders. Now we will merge this. This will be balance in hand. We'll change the color. We'll change the font color. We will merge this also and we'll change the color. We'll change the font color. We'll create borders. We'll create border for this also. Our expenses are till 10. We will increase this. We'll create borders. I'll increase the size of amount. Now we will copy this. Control C or Command C. We will come down and we'll paste for February. And in the same way we will paste till December. Now we will go on top. This is January. So this will be February. And we'll change name of the month till December. Total collection. We will click over here, plus or equal to. We will go in total collection sheet and we'll select Jan. Enter. We'll take this in center. Feb plus or equal to. We will go to total collection sheet and we'll select Feb. And in the same way we will connect till December. Plus or equal to March. So all the sheets got connected. We will insert formula of sum over here. Sum bracket open. We will select this. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We'll change the font color. We will copy this formula and we'll paste over here. Now we will click on Jan. We'll go to formula bar and we'll press function F4. Means we will lock the cells. In the same way we will lock all the cells. Balance in hand. The formula will be plus or equal to total collection minus total expenses. We'll press function F4 and we'll lock the cells and we'll hit enter. We'll insert some date over here. We'll select this. We'll right click the mouse, format cells, date, and we will select a desired date format. OK. We'll take this in center. Day. Formula for day will be plus or equal to text, bracket open. We will select our first date, comma, double inverted comma, D 4 times, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. Before dragging this, we will insert the criteria of if bracket open, date is equal to 0, comma, double inverted comma twice, comma, we will come to the end, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we will drag this down. I'll insert some amount over here. We'll select this and we'll take this in center. We'll delete this. We'll merge this together. We'll give it a color. We'll change the font color. This will be total. We'll change the color of this also. Plus or equal to sum, bracket open. We will select this. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We'll make this bold. So we will have to do this for all the months. I'll copy this. Control C or Command C. And we'll paste in all the months. I'll remove the amount from here. I'll delete the date. Now I'll copy this. And we'll paste in all the months. So formula got inserted in all the months. I'll take this in left. Total expenses for January plus or equal to, we will come down and we'll select this. Enter. We'll go in Feb plus or equal to, we'll go to February month and we'll select the expenses and we'll hit enter. In the same way, we will connect all the months. We will select this and we'll take all the things in center. Now we will lock all the cells from January to December. Function F4, enter. Now all the cells got locked. Now we will create hyperlink for the months. January. Cell number is C4. I'll write 4 over here. This will be C. 4. C4 is January. C39 is February. 39. C74 is March. We will see what's the difference in this. Difference of 35. So difference of 35 is there. So plus this plus 35. I'll delete this. So this is Jan. I'll drag this down. It will be till December. I'll delete this. Now we will create hyperlink. We will delete this. We'll click over here. We'll go in insert, link, address. It's C4. We will go on top and we'll change the name. The name will be January. We'll do OK. Now we will click over here, link. This will be C39. This will be February. And in the same way, we will create link till December. So all the sheets got connected. I'll select this and we'll take this in left. Now I'll delete this. We'll copy this and we'll paste till December. We will go on top, view, show, and we will remove the grid lines. So our format is ready now. I'll provide link of this file in description box. In case you want to download, you can. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then. Bye-bye.